from the city of Denton. This is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Kevin Bond for the city of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. Thanks for joining us. The Denton City Council will hold a public hearing on the FY 2019 and 20 budget on September 10th at 6:30. The meeting is meant to gather community input on the budget. To learn more, visit cityofdenton.com. The new runway is nearing completion at the Denton Enterprise Airport. Crews are working hard to finish the project, which is expected to increase efficiency for the airport and Denton businesses.
The new parallel runway is the primary project that's really going to drive the future for our airport. It is mainly for safety enhancements for the airport. It allows our air traffic controllers to separate the faster and slower traffic. And it'll also increase our capacity for future development. The parallel runway project started about a year ago in September. We've got a couple weeks of paving remaining and then the last cleanup of the project. So it should be completed about the first part of October, and we'll be working on finalizing a grand opening sometime in October. The businesses that are here in the city use this airport to either bring executives in and out, or they're bringing products, they're meeting with clients that maybe don't have an aviation related business, but they need somebody here to meet with them, and they'll fly in to get to that facility. So what that means for our citizens is the businesses can conduct business quicker and better. We hope that the airport that's here provides that access for the businesses that are in town to flourish with whatever they do.
Celebrate the end of summer with a dog pool party at the Civic Center Pool. Purchase your ticket and help raise money for the North Lakes Dog Park. The event happens Saturday, September 7th. Session 1 is 9 a.m. to 10:30. Session 2 runs from 11 to 12:30. That does it for this time. I'm Kevin Bond. Thanks for watching. You can catch more city videos at youtube.com, and remember to follow us on Twitter and Facebook.